minutes. Just speed run.
Okay, so first we take the horseshoe nail and flatten the head. This is where we're going to have the hole to mount it to the wall. Then we flip it around to make sure all sides are even-ish enough.
Oh, nut.
Then we take the tail and we curl it around and we grab the other end and we loop it. We loop it. That's what we do. That's a loop. Totally didn't cut it because I'm bad at this. Yeah, totally. And that's it. We made a nail. Yay, I make great content. Yay, yippee, yay.